Yo. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Benny Easy, aka Benny Mannequin, comes to you live from the Mannequin studio. And
what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jason Louis coming to you live from Benny Mannequin studio. Bye.
Yo, so this vlog is going to be, I'm trying to make just like 6-minute vlogs for you guys, so you guys can see, like, you know, today is a busy day.
You people don't even know what's going on today. Today, see, Ben, this is not telling people. You're trying to be humble. Chill, let me hear you. Relax, I'm coming. See. I just say, yeah, the spirit thing. See, let me tell you something. First of all, today's date here is, what's it called? Oh, she's even calling herself. Today is Faith Ibrahim's birthday. She know the answer. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Stay there on the phone for a minute. Today is Faith Ibrahim's birthday. That's not just it. That is not just that alone is enough for us to blow the roof off. But guess what? I'm on Mannequin has 8,000 subscribers on YouTube. We're going crazy. I'm on pop, shayo, champagne. Vibes, we up. Yo, bitch.
You know, these niggas slow. Killer cam. See what's up to the. Just wake up from your slumber for 1 minute.
Guys are walking here.
There we go.
In the bastard place. In the bamboo. In the bastard place.
In the what? Right.
It's a good question, isn't it?
Yeah, I was like, you asked me, I was like,
Yes, so. Batman coming at the ghetto. Close so like gelato.
you carry everything.
We hear Faith Ibrahim. Is that Faith Ibrahim? That is Faith Ibrahim. Jesus.
Imagine it not being me. Imagine it not being me though.
Dead man things. How far, my guys?
No, we out here, man. We out here in the birthday party in Palm Springs, you dig? You know, we're here for Faith Ibrahim. You get me?
21 plus. Yeah, bring your ID.
What's your ID?
Okay, yeah, you can go in.
Hello, people. Today I will be Mannequin's cameraman. And I'll be giving you all the commentary that you need.
Follow us, cameraman. Come inside. Hey, go listen to this guy.
So come this side. Alright, so clearly disrespect is high in the air. 5K for the drink.
New whip.
This is what 1K subscribe.
That'll be a thumbnail. I don't want it to subscribe.
So yeah, you see people,
I'm doing very well.
when you work hard and you struggle and you do your best, you get your 1,000 subscribers. We found one. We're gonna play a game now, guys. We're gonna do a countdown from now. If we're able to find everyone in under 5 minutes, one of you subscribers is going to get a blessing. Alright, we need one more person. I'm very competitive. Follow me. One more person under 5 minutes. One more. This guy, I've never told them what the price is, but okay, let's go. One more person under. Come on. Actually, it's less than 5 minutes is too long. You have 30 seconds left, Holy. You have 30 seconds. You have 20 seconds. You got 15 seconds, bro. Yeah, make it really cheesy. You got 4 seconds. Fuck, he found him. Bloody hell.
Yeah, nigga, we did this shit. What's my price? What's the winner's price?
Ben.
Alright, guys.
Let's play one game now.
Let's play one game.
This J.
Let's play one game.
What game?
Let's guess how much the bill is going to be. The person that is least closest to pay for it.
That is closest of five.
Least closest.
Oh, least closest.
Yeah, that's farthest away.
So looking at everything, my decision is gonna be everything that's gone through. This shit is gonna cost like 100 and I'm gonna say 30, 40. Yeah.
What's your guess?
Wait. Make I evaluate.
No, just look
Actually,
at bro.
no.
Now all that together will carry on.
I say 180.
No. We have like.
I say 180.
I say 220.
I say 180. I say 180.
Alright.
No wait, so you niggas are
Ben, what's your number?
I don't like this. No.
I've said your PO is on camera.
Bro, what the hell? Yeah, wait, Holy, what was your own?
220.
What's your own again? No, say your own.
It's always angry. This guy.
Camera has it.
Wait, what was your own?
215.
250 for Chibu.
Chibu is a lie. You
Oh, 215.
Yeah, I say 220.
210.
Yeah.
You know what? Because of all this shit, I say 260.
You said bullshit. You said your own.
You said 180 now.
Wait, no, we've not finished now. Wait, no.
It's one time.
Just calm, bro. Like, let me just make a choice now. Like, you guys made a decision. No, it's calm. It's not fair. It's 260 now. Like, just let me make my. Bro.
It's one call, bro.
Huh? No, I'm not breaking my card.
How much is it?
Bro, I say 260 now. I'm saying 260. I'm changing my video to 260. Are you a thief? See, the guys are something. The money is not an issue. I'll pay it, but my own is that, like, I just don't like. I like being right, and I know that I'm right. So it's 260. Like, if people behind it.
What you guys said, your first fee might be correct.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Two what?
No, they never jammed this look.
260. So we're good. 260. Baby,
Bro,
send me
Tia,
the
you're about to pay for this
location.
fee,
I'm
bro.
gonna pull up with a van.
You're about to pay for this fee, bro.
Hey.
From furthest away from the other side, you went to the furthest from the other side.
Nope. See,
Isha, no, Isha.
it's not me, Sha.
The rule is the rule.
You're niggas too.
That's 220.
I don't appreciate this kind of vibes.
No.
180. I'll do it.
So, guy, how do you feel spending that amount of money?
To be very honest with you, they're going to pay me back. I'm not going to like it's not like anything. Like, I don't want to form like say the money was cheap or the money was expensive. They're going to pay me back because they must be mad if they take me. I'm going to buy all of that shit, but that everybody's going to eat, and it's me that's going to pay 280. You're a fool. This J is in rotation. Baby, send me your location. I'ma pull up with a vibe, and you know what's right. This J.
I better shut up. The Lord is good. All the time. How are you? I'm good. How you doing?
How are you?
You know, you guys cannot say it. You need to add the persona in it. How are you? Talk to daddy. You okay?
Holy! $100 if you can get here in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, you missed! You didn't reach me! That's fucking cheating. Nah, give my bread. You missed. Nah, but you didn't reach me. On God, you didn't reach me. Why are you running away?
Stop it, man.
Wait, are these guys actually seriously leaving me? No, wait.
Camera.
Only tears will not be. I know they stole. I didn't roll. Oh shit.
Shouldn't tag me still. That's slight. You know. But look at this though. I am losing in the love. But you guys, what you guys think? Comment down below what you guys think. You know, you're fresh.
Yeah, I might need some F-5s for real. This shit.
Trizzy, what are you saying? What are you telling them?
Only very you know that.
Is that loops? Is that loops?
Oh, my brother.
Is that loops?
The loops are in the other car. This one is.
Oh, these aren't loops in it. Okay. Well, we still got them though, so.
Come on, you know we got this, you know, TSL on the way, vibes, red way.
Red way.
You're lined up for much.
All the creative direct, like, give him vision, bro. Treat this like OTG content. Because it is OTG content.
What was that? Tell us where we are. Okay. And what are we doing today?
It's up. We got that really shoot. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned, my nigga. I'll kill you with content.
Okay. What's your name and what are we doing today?
So my name is Cam, so you can call me Killer Cam. We're out here for the shoot for Vert 919, and it's going pretty well. I had an opportunity to meet the designer.
Yeah.
And she's amazing. So yeah.
Okay.
This might be my
verdict. See outside that the Travis Scott's on.
Okay. What's your
so you know I'm killing. Stacking all these people so you know I'm busy. So we doing like it's been a lean. Magaline. Put me in the dress, put me in the lean. Now I got the haters, got them hollering. Cause we load it up like a magazine. When I come and shine like king. I say when I run through so DSM, you know I fucking do my thing. I say 5K for the drip, and you know I don't really gotta show my brain. Decked out to the end, we go grind to the dawn. Yeah, I got my team. Them I try, they can stop my dream.
Don't you know, it's only Pody that you linking on the low. We went to Noble, then we ended on the floor. Your old man, I don't got to know. I catch your vibe and I ride the flow. You know the vibes, yeah, we gotta go. The vibes. Naja boy, I did 12 stories, stay on Lafayette. Niggas know I'm so hopefully I be there Lagos every time I thought the guys know me. I came up from the gutter, I'm more grind.
Now I'm telling them big boy G. Every time where the people see me, I be cooling in that new